Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hello.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about colors. Let's start together. Red. Red objects: apple, tomato, and ladybug. Orange. Orange objects: orange, pumpkin, and basketball. Yellow. Yellow objects: cheese, lemon, and banana. Green. Green objects: broccoli, leaf, and pear. Blue. Blue objects: blueberries, sapphire, and bluebird. Purple. Purple objects: plum, purple cabbage, and eggplant. Pink. Pink objects: rose, peg, and flamingo. Brown. Brown objects: chocolate, squirrel, and acorn. White. White objects: swan, milk, and dove. Black. Black objects: raven, panther, and coal. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. God bless you. Bye.